In this video, we're going to walk through the Microsoft Excel marketplace. So what we're really going to go over here is looking at the marketplace as a whole, as far as Excel, as far as the growth potential, and really just giving you an overview of how much in demand your skills are going to be after you go through this course. So let's go ahead and jump into the Microsoft Excel marketplace. Okay, so Forrester Research found that 81% of businesses use Excel. And honestly, I'm not really sure what the data points were as far as the stats in terms of being able to come up with 81%, because I would say it's more than that, because businesses need to be able to have some sort of tracking mechanism to be able to keep track of their, expenses, their data points, right? As far as, leads and sales and customers and all this other stuff that is important to be able to track. So I would even say it's a bit more. I don't know where the, data points or metrics that they were going off of, but I would say the majority of businesses are using Excel, and these skills are very marketable to employers, right? That's why you're going through this course, because you're learning how to be able to become an Excel expert. And once you go through this course, your skills are going to be highly marketable to the employers. And we're going to show you how to be able to position yourself as the go-to expert in your field and how to set yourself apart from the competition. And so Excel is used by an estimated 750 million people worldwide. That's a significant amount of people, right? Because like I said, pretty much in business, the majority of them are using this all the time. And like I mentioned, it's got to be more than 81%, because businesses have all different types of data, and they have to be able to, store it in a particular place, manipulate it, and be able to analyze it accordingly. So it's got to be more than that 81%, like I said, because for me, it seems like every single business out there, unless they're using like a pen and paper and using, what they used to do back in the day. And then on average, certified Excel skills can increase your earnings potential by 12%. So if you are somebody who's in a particular position right now and you are developing your Excel skills, then this could increase your earnings potential by 12%. So that's a pretty significant amount there. And then the Excel skills open the door to more jobs and careers, especially for individuals that don't have a college degree. That's a big thing there as well. As far as being able to get a job out there and being able to, get known and seen for your skills, a lot of companies out there will be looking for that college degree. But I think now in today's digital age, the college degree really isn't that important. Now what they're looking at is your experience and what you're able to do and bring to the table as far as outside the box, right? Are you somebody who just has experience with a resume and a college degree, or do you have experience, you have a resume, and you may not have a college degree, but you have a social media presence, you have an online personal brand, you have a website, right? We show you how to do all of that in this course, and that will allow you to set yourself apart in the marketplace in terms of the competition, so that even if you don't have a college degree, you'll still be able to be, at the top list of the candidates. And then according to LinkedIn, data analysts, which work in Excel pretty much all day, all the time, are one of the top 10 most in-demand jobs. So with you learning all these different skills within Excel, there's a lot of different job roles that you can get into, and we're going to go into that in another lesson. However, for the most part, data analytics is what you're going to be really working within and focused on. And the data analyst job is the top 10 most in-demand jobs based on LinkedIn. So as you can see here, there's just huge potential, huge growth, huge demand, and it's only going to be increasing, with the years to come. So that's going to be here for this lesson, and we'll see you on the next one.